I'm going to be showing you a powerful gut health recipe, and I'm using 5 ingredients. I'm doing this video because I am on a wellness journey and I want to share with you my wellness journey. This specific recipe was from somebody called Papaya. So this is something that she asked if I could do. She's very focused on gut health. I love the fact that she'd stumbled on my channel, and from that she immediately subscribed. So big up yourself. This is for you as well as everybody else that is watching the live or watching the replay. I'm going to be taking you through 5 ingredients that I'm going to be using: fresh and frozen tropical fruits and vegetables, and just talk to you a little bit about the benefits of each and my experience in juicing up the place. Woo! So everybody on that's watching, I know that vegetables and fruits are the most healthiest things that you can eat, and there are a multitude of vitamins. Before I met Mela, which was 4 years ago in October, I did not know that fruits give you vitamins. Oh no. So I'm gonna leave that there for you so you can just marinate on what I just said. Now, because of that, I know that fruits and vegetables have these wonderful ingredients, but I'm not an expert, and I never will ever say that I'm a wellness expert. So here are some wonderful notes that I prepared earlier, because it's really important for me to make sure that whatever I'm showing you in regards to fruits and vegetables, that I get accurate the impact that it can have on us all. We have Jamaican apple. Now this is frozen, and I'm going to pop it in there. Now Jamaican apple feeds, get it right, Jamaican apple feeds good bacteria, helps with digestion, and supports gut health. So we're going to be putting it in, and I'm going to come back and put them in. I want to go on to the next one first, and then I'll put it all in. Then we've got carrots. Now these are frozen carrots. Now you're probably thinking, why does the carrot look like that? So Mala had made carrot juice a couple of weeks ago, and I said to him, Mala, could you actually keep the pulp after you've taken out all the juice? And he said, yeah, sure. So from that, there was a lot. And so I froze it, and that's why it looks like this. It's the pulp from the carrot. Then we have ginger. So ginger, it soothes the stomach, it reduces bloating, and it helps with digestion. And here's some that I prepared earlier that I'm all chopped up that I'm going to put in there. And what do we have next? So we have frozen pine. Here we go, frozen pine. Now this breaks down, reduces bloating, and supports digestion. Finally, we have papaya. There we go. Now papaya, it helps with digestion as well. It reduces bloating and keeps your stomach happy. And let's be very clear. Yes, juicing can help with bloating, but there's so many more things that you need to kind of do to help with maybe your stomach. You can do, there's lots of exercises that you can do, like swimming. I know I do upper body and lower body hip, but that's nothing to do with the stomach, but I just recommended it as well. So yes, these things can help, but there are other things that can help with bloating and things like that, and having a more flatter stomach. I'm getting there. Got a little bit of time, got a little bit more work to do, but I'm getting there. All right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to put all the ingredients into here, as you can see. So let's start with the carrot, which we're going to put in like so. Now it's a bit frozen, so I'm going to have to make some, I may have to make some noise if it won't all fit in. And so I'm going to break this like this. There we go. And now it fits in a bit more. Sorry for the noise. And then we're going to put in the wonderful papaya. La 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 la. There's the papaya and papaya. And then we're coming to the Jamaican apple. La 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 la. I've got a bit more carrot. Waste not, want not. But keep putting that carrot in. Keep putting that carrot in. And then we've got pineapple. We fondly call in Jamaica pine. All right. So I'm going to put all this in, and this was frozen pine. La 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 la. And then my ginger, and we just put it in. Now with the ginger, as I said, I don't use sugar. And with ginger, I found out that it's actually quite flavoring. So I do like ginger. Some restaurants that you go to that sell juices, my goodness, it feel like they put like, I don't know, like half a pound of ginger in there because it's very, very strong. And I don't really like it like that. I like it subtle. All right, so we got that piece. Now, after I put all of my fruits and vegetables in here, as you can see, I will then add some water to it because, you know, I want it to mix with something. Now, some people don't, but I do. So let's put it in like that. Probably put like half in, as you can see, all done. And then usually I put my blender on for several minutes. I'm using a Ninja blender, but for the sake of this live and because I don't want your ears to melt and burn, and it's a little bit long, 5 minutes, I'm just going to put it on for a minute. All right. Look at that. Normally when I'm juicing, it usually changes color as it's blending, but this has stayed a wonderful orange. Okay, now it's time to taste the goodness. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Let's do it. Wow. Man, amazing. And like, you know what? I've never used these ingredients before. And so I'm going through so many new feelings and sensations. So thank you very much for this request. Absolutely amazing. Where I get these fruits and vegetables for me are really, really important. Like I can go to the supermarket, but I'm going to be paying a way lot more than if I went to the market, like downtown Kingston. And so I've got a video where I take you through my journey of buying my fruits and vegetables. I've also created a blog as well, which you can check out over my website, all the links and descriptions. Now, I believe that what you put into your body really helps you. Your body is your temple. And when I've gone on this journey of fruits and vegetables and juicing my fruits and vegetables, so much has changed for me in my mindset, how I think, how I feel, what I do. Like, my skin is so much more clearer and it's glowing. Like I get so much energy from juicing. So if I'm at my desk working and I'm feeling a little bit sluggish, usually I'll go and make myself a cup of tea and a cup of coffee. Now I do feel a certain way, but I know in no way feel how I feel when I go to the fridge and I get something like this. So when I get something like this, after drinking it, I'm like, yeah, let's go. I'm on fire. Let's do this. So it's a very, very different feeling. It's like my whole body is exploding. Like all the cells in my body are just like coming alive. It's absolutely amazing. You know, you get like, maybe you might get withdrawal symptoms or your body's like craving for sugar. My body now craves for juices. I know when it's time for me to have my hit. You know what, everybody? I'm all good in having a hit of this. There's another thing that I love about juicing. It allows me not to be hungry. Whatever time of the day I eat this, it's like I'm eating a full meal. If you think about it, it's fruits and vegetables made as a smoothie. So if I'm eating it at breakfast, oh my gosh, this is a wicked meal for me. If I'm eating it at lunch, drinking at lunch, same thing. Drinking at dinner, the same thing as well. I don't actually drink juices at a specific period of time. I drink it when my body wants it, and my body wants it a lot. And so finally, an addiction that's actually a win-win for me. Okay, everybody, we're coming to the end. I just wanted to let you know as well, I've done another video on another powerful juicing recipe. If you've had fun today, please feel free to like and hit subscribe. I go live every other Saturday, so I'm looking for topics. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments and I'll be checking them. I'm sorry, I'm just feeling all the carrots still in my mouth. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, remember to learn, love, and live. Stay blessed.